everyone. Today we have All India Rank 346 Ruchita BS with us. Ruchita, how does it feel to achieve this incredible rank?
I'm just speechless of this regard. It's too much mixed feelings, I can say. All the late nights and all the struggles of the past 2 years, I remember that. And there's also immense happiness in celebrating my results and also my friends' results. Yeah.
That's so nice to hear from you, Ruchita. Please tell us about your preparation strategy. How did it start and what kept you motivated for the entire long journey?
My preparation strategy was pretty simple. It is beautifully quoted. If your actions inspire others to dream better, learn better, and do more, you're a great leader. And I believe we had great leaders in our campus here at Narayana, inspiring us to do whatever we are doing to the best. From introducing micro schedules and all the newly launched plans in Narayana to guiding us and making sure that we catch up with the schedule. Our Dean Sir and AGM ma'am did a successful job. All we did throughout the 2 years is listening to them and also my teachers. We had an awesome faculty. And yeah, that was all for my preparation strategy, I would say.
It's so nice to hear that you had an amazing teaching and the non-teaching staff in your campus. Now, would you please tell us about your journey, your personal journey about the study? Like, how did you manage the NCRT and how did you manage your board examination and the NEET preparation?
Okay. In this regard, I would say in the beginning, I also felt pretty uncomfortable. I'm from state board, though I had 100% in my boards.
That's great. She is a 100% board scorer, guys. Please mention it.
Yeah, though I had it, but I was still fearful because all those MCQs and the pattern of the exam was very new for me. I think the campus people were pretty sweet enough and I had a very nice backup system at home. So that felt easier and I had owned myself a lot. Like I used to not sleep at nights and I would not advise you to do all those, but I used to not sleep at night. So that time would make up for the time that help me cover all the NCRT and also our coaching modules.
Now, tell us that this NEET examination is indeed a very difficult examination altogether. Now, there are certain times when you score nice in your tests and there are certain times when you score low. How did you keep your motivation high and how did you manage that stress of scoring low marks during your preparation?
I think I would like to beautifully answer this. Like if you visualize the situation of giving exams, like walking on a great wall of China, just space much enough to keep only one of your feet. And I was pretty sure in case if I fall down, I would have my parents holding my back. So I think love them for that. And second, it was the amazing faculty, I would say. Here I would mention a quote. It said, teachers actually sow the seed of knowledge and sparkle them with love and also patiently wait till they nurture and grow. So I think they did that in all our ups and downs. They had always been there. Here at Narayana, we have awesome faculty. I think I would give the credit to them.
Since how long you've been associated with Narayana?
It's just for these 2 years, like the 11th and 12th, but I have made connections that I will actually be too happy to remember lifelong.
That's so nice. We would like to remember you for the entire life. Now tell us that one piece of advice I would like to give to the future aspirants.
Okay. One piece of advice would be believe yourself before the world believes in you. You can't expect people to have hopes on you unless you start to believe in yourself and have the dream and have a plan for it. And here at Narayana, we have it. So please do join here. That's all.
Ruchita says that self-belief is the key. Thank you so much for having us here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.